Hey my little friends, do you want to get points on Fetch Rewards? Well, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the Fetch Rewards mod so you can actually get free coins. So as you can see, this is what we're working with, 12,000. We're going to do points 999. So as you can see guys, it's going to start increasing, and then I'm going to show you how to download this Fetch Rewards mod so you can get unlimited points on the Fetch Rewards. So let's see if it goes up guys, and as you can see, we are not getting anything, but now it says the points were added. So let's see if the points start increasing guys. And bang, look at that. So I'm going to show you how to get unlimited points on Fetch Rewards just like me. So all you have to do is go to this website. I believe it is called matrixmods.com. Don't quote me on that though. So let's go to the search bar and see if it is here. So I'm just going to type it in, and there it is guys, at Fetch Rewards. So go ahead and press download, and then the next step is the verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps. They're 100% free from official app store. This will get you unlimited Fetch Rewards points. So let's just wait for it to load up here. As you can see, so it's basically going to say like missing files or whatever. So you just want to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, Underdog Fantasy, Travel Town, whatever. Just do 2 of them guys. Press help to watch a video here, as you can see. But yeah, it's super cool. So I hope you guys were able to get unlimited Fetch Rewards points from my method. This is super awesome. That's the website guys, matrixmods.com. So this is fully working guys. As you can see, we got unlimited points. Press the button and notice something. There is an anti-ban in here guys, so you're not going to get banned. So super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get unlimited points on the Fetch Rewards. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel guys, and peace out.